Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
No, we have not taken any decision yet. As of now, we of course are seeing the numbers rise, but as we have been mentioning earlier also, that it is important for the state to ensure that we are looking at now the hospitalization rates and the people who are in the ICU and people who require beds and the hospital beds. So therefore, we are going to focus on that because we are seeing that Omicron is not, or the current wave, whether it's Delta or Omicron or a mix of both, we are seeing that the hospitalization rate is not as high compared to what it was in the last wave. So therefore, as a government, we feel strongly that at this point in time, the number to really focus on is the hospitalization rate. And as of now, things are very much under control and we have enough beds available. So therefore, we are keeping a watch on the situation. But yet again, I would like to urge everybody to focus on two aspects. One is vaccination. You must get vaccinated. And number two, you must follow your protocols in terms of wearing masks and other protocols, because this is a very critical time and this is a time when this virus is spreading, and the only way to ensure that it does not affect you or your family is to follow the protocols and get vaccinated. No, there is no decision yet. In all likelihood, we will not go ahead with that because we want to ensure that livelihood is not affected. But obviously, if the situation goes beyond a certain point, then we will be forced to take decisions. And that's why we are taking precautionary measures and requesting people to also be careful.
So coming to the booster dose, what measures are taken to spread that awareness? Because some are not aware that it's already been... It
will take time. We are working on it. A lot of people have come forward for the booster dose. It's just started, in fact, the booster dose for 60 plus and for frontline workers. So it will happen. In fact, our vaccination percentage in terms of the one vaccination has also crossed 70% now. So we are really going aggressively in terms of our vaccination, and we are hopeful that based on this election mode that we're having, we should be able to cover more and more population through the state.
So when will you again sit with the Assam Chief Minister?
We'll get back to you.